All right, hi everyone. This is homework problem number 12 from homework number 7. And again, part of the problem got cut off, but basically what we're told here is that one of the tallest men living has a height of 266, and the tallest woman is 254 centimeters tall. And then we are given the mean and standard deviation for men heights, and we're given the mean and standard deviation for women's heights. And the question is, who's taller in terms of their gender, in terms of their gender population? So we have to compare them separately. We have to look at these z-scores and see who's farther away from the mean. So over here, x is equal to 266 centimeters. We're looking at our very tall man, and our very tall woman is 254 centimeters. So we have to look at those separately. So let's start with the men. I've created our template, and x in this case is equal to the heights of men. Heights for men. Okay. And I'm going to do a modified version because I'm not going to list every single z-score, but you're probably pretty familiar with it now. So, but I am going to set up the mean, 174, which is right here. And I'm going to go ahead and mark our x value, which is 266. I don't know exactly where it is, but I know it's certainly to the right of the mean. Let's say it's about here, and this is a value of 266 centimeters, and this is the z-score we have to find. This is how many standard deviations away is it? Okay, the question is how many standard deviations, or in other words, what is this z-score right here? Okay. Well, using the formula, we know that z is equal to x, which is 266, minus the mean, which is 174, divided by the standard deviation. All right, so take a second and go ahead and do that on your calculator, and you will get 10.2 centimeters. Sorry, 10.2 standard deviations above the mean. Our z-score is equal to 10.2. I mean, that is virtually 0.0000% likely to happen. This is a true outlier, which would make sense if they're tallest, one of the tallest in the world. So we're way out there. Okay, well, let's see what's going on with the women. The women, on the other hand, have a mean score. Up before we label things, we need to identify what this graph is. It's heights of women. Okay. And in this case, our mean height for women is 162 centimeters. I should really label that too, that you know these are in centimeters. And again, I'm just going to plot the x value. We know she's way, way, way out here. And her height is 254. So again, we have to find this z-score. We have to find how many standard deviations above the mean is she. Okay, so again, we'll find that z-score. Z is going to equal x value, which is 254, minus the 162 mean, and divided by a standard deviation of 5. And if you do this on the calculator, it's going to turn out to be 18.2. She's 18 standard deviations above the mean. 18.2. All right, so relative to their population, the woman is actually taller. She's more unusual even than this man, because she's 18 standard deviations above the mean, while he's 10.2 standard deviations above the mean. So go ahead and try number 12. Good luck.